Given the human rights mandate, the court decided to make sure that there's fairness, efficiency, and cost effectiveness in its work. And therefore, even before this system was taken on board, there was this practice direction on electronic case management and virtual court hearings, which we started post the COVID period to make sure that the court didn't sit idle and worked. And the properties, the features of that operation, which is even high-ended, is that the parties and their lawyers were required to file all legal processes online rather than in person. And this is done by scanning the signed and stamped hard copy of the document in PDF and emailing it to the court registry. Secondly, the court registry electronically served all documents, including notices to the parties. This electronic service is deemed sufficient to meet the service requirements under the protocol and the rules of the court, and also facilitates electronic filing and service of documents. Parties and their lawyers are required to ensure that every document filed comes with the email addresses or WhatsApp-enabled telephone numbers of their lawyers. Then also member states with cases before the court are encouraged to appoint focal persons to electronically receive documents and notices. For this purpose, they are also required to communicate their email addresses and telephone numbers to the court's registry. Finally, the court may, on its own motion or at the request of a party, schedule cases to be heard virtually on video conferencing platforms such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams and all that. That is what the court is doing now. That's the hearing method or the processes that the court is undertaking now. And then added to that is this ECMS which the court has undertaken to do. Internal training has been done for all relevant staff at the registry, judges, and everybody is on board. The external training is what we are doing because it's a two-way affair. We have external for lawyers and their agents and the states who are mostly parties before the court, who also have to file and receive cases filed against them.